All right, welcome to my channel. Right now, I'm going to be showing us how to change your wallet on ICE from OKX to Metamask. As we all know, with the recent update from ICE network, due to the issues they had with OKX exchange, they have asked everyone to change their wallet address for those that used OKX. Um, Remember, you have a verified OKX, so and use the wallet to claim the first airdrop. So we'll be asked to change to Metamask. Remember, you must first of all update your ICE network to be qualified for this. So I'm on Metamask. Here we are. Remember, it must be on Binance blockchain. So I'm on Binance blockchain. You can see the process on the screen. Next thing I do is I copy my wallet address. Now let's move down to ICE. Copy my wallet address from Metamask, so I can change and remove the OKX address. Remember, this is strictly for those who used OKX to claim their first airdrop. If you use Metamask before, there's no need. Just leave it there. Okay. And we've been informed that the recent update on ICE gives you the opportunity to change your staking, so you can unstake everything and leave it out. Remember that if you unstake everything, your ICE coin is going to reduce drastically. So I advise you to either reduce to 50% or you leave it the way it was. But the major thing this video is all about is how to change your OKX address, replace it with your Metamask wallet address. This qualifies you for the next airdrop, which is going to take place very soon. So I just go straight to my wallet segment in my eyes, and my eyes wallet, eyes app already. So I tap um, on the wallet address section. With the wallet address I've copied my um, from my MetaMask already. Sorry, my eyes seems to be lagging. Probably I don't know if I'm the only one that experiences that. Okay, so here am I paste it and I confirm. There's a confirmation, confirm, and that's all. You're good to go. That's all. So thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, please, so you get more updates, and you can share it to those who are confused already about this. Thank you.